Ladies and gentlemen, avocado, BMW avocado, avocado BMW, okay? We understand that. Avocado BMW avocado, brand new F900GS, the new twin from BMW that promise you the round of the world. So, let's see this motorcycle in details. Ladies and gentlemen, what we got here? We got many things. We got protection for the engine, both of the sides. We got approach from the engine. We got those kind of pedals that they are very good for the dirt and also for the street. We got a Krapovich exhaust. We got a windscreen that is going up and down manual. I like the manual windscreens. We got a plug, we got USB connection, we got the windscreen that protects us a lot anyway. We got protection for our hands, we got spotlights extra here, and I have to tell you that this base for the top box is not original, it's by Givi, and also those are not original. Okay, let's going up to this bike. First of all, I feel very comfortable. Why I feel comfortable? Because the material of the saddle is so good and so comfortable. Also, I have the ESA system of Zach's back, and I can control my back adjuster. I can control also the fork easily, and everything is in a correct position. Okay, everything has got the right angle. I can put my legs here inside. This is plastic, yes. Okay, and nice footrest for Georgia that is going to come here. Okay, what we got here? We got me and Georgia with a camera on the black screen nicely. So this is a typical BMW clock. We have in our right hand the programs: rain, road, dynamic, and the Enduro Pro. Normally in this bike, not normally, in this bike we have 5 programs. Also is existing just an Enduro that is not disconnect the ABS, but I choose to have those 4 so I can disconnect it to do some dirt. Okay, so we are here in Enduro Pro. In the same hand we got the heated grips, and from the left hand we got all the others. So that means that we are going inside the menu. We have settings, connectivity with telephone, music, navigation, my vehicle. So in my vehicle we got all the information that we want for the bike, everything, really everything, trip computer, everything. So it's very important. It's the typical, all those things that is existing to all the new BMW motorcycles. Everything that the rider probably wants. So I'm going out and I will start it. That's it. Let's go now to dynamic. to make some gergelo. Yeah! Nice. Georgia, how are you feeling back?
Royal.
I think that you can ride all over the world in this saddle.
Yes, very thick saddle, very nice steppers and with rubber, very nice seat.
Yes, everything is okay.
Everything's okay.
I can see the clock, I can take up the windscreen so it protects me from the water and the wind. I have a good view back and I have Georgia back of me. This is not the best possible, of course, but happens.
Okay, I feel comfortable. I have a good view back, I'm well protected and the sound of the engine is good. The gearbox is really lovely. Okay, let's move now with this big adventure motorcycle and change some directions. Yes. Okay, we'll do it easy. Let's see now the brakes. Okay, we have brakes and the performance is not the best of the category, but it's enough and fine for the purpose of this motorcycle.
Engine, and it's a twin parallel that it's a 895 cubics and produce 105 horses at 8,500 RPM and 93 Nm at 6,750 RPM. Is it enough? Yes, it is. It's the best engine of the category. No, it's not. It's a friendly engine. It helps a lot the rider. It feels comfortable on it with that engine. You got power everywhere, but for sure it's not the most powerful engine in the category. The consumption is officially 4.4 liters per 100 kilometers. So we start with that as a base, and normally inside the city or in the fast travel somewhere around the 5 liters per 100 kilometers. It's got 6-speed gearbox, nice gearbox, lovely gearbox, and it's got 23 liters inside this huge tank. That 3.5 liters are the reserve, and the bike is 246 kilos ready to go. So that means that it's light for the category, not generally, for the category it's a light bike. So nice, I like it. What I see, windscreen, typical BMW light with protection front of it, nice thing. We have 2 spotlights by BMW. We got a stabilizer here for the fork. We got the upside down fork. We have plastic protection for the radiator, that is all this area back of here. We got the 2 exhausts that looks like a inox, and they are very good made as I see it, and the approach of the engine. Now for the brakes, we got 2 discs with 2 double piston caliber brakes of Brembo and a single piston caliber back of Brembo also, and very nice fork. What about the brakes? The brakes are good enough and you feel safe. And for the dirt, if you will put the program Enduro Pro on the bike, then you disconnect completely the back brake and almost disconnect and the front brake. So anyway, it's brakes that you feel safe, and it's enough for not dangerous anyway, not so much powerful for the dirt. Quality. Let's start with the most important in adventure motorcycle, the frame. We have a tail that is made with a tubes of metal that looks that they are very good and very well welded. We have a back fork that is excellent and is not a hollow from back. Also, the main frame that you can see it here, this is a part of the main frame, is not hollow from back. I put my hand here and it's okay. Also, I put my hand back of here and is not hollow also here. So the frame looks okay. Now let's see the plastics. And the black plastics. They are good plastics, they are soft plastics. In some place is not so well fit, like here, but we have also 5,000 and something kilometers in this bike. The paint, it's nice, it's a silver with a bit of perla inside, the same also here in the bar, it's a good paint. The material of the saddle, it's amazing, I love it, take a look, I love it. The material of the saddle is so good and so nice. So, of course, the bike is not brand new, but it's new. So, I see no corrosion. Everything looks perfect, and I consider that this is a good made motorcycle. Maybe we did a little bit more than this bike can do, but it's okay. You can move easily on any path, you can pass from hard places, and you can feel comfortable if you found a dirt path on your travel with one or two persons. So I am positive in the way that this bike moves on dirt. So ladies and gentlemen, finally, what we got? We got a motorcycle that it's enough to move you around the whole world with one or two person, and doesn't matter how is the street, if it's a dirt or if it's a street, highway or whatever. It's a quality bike with a Zax suspension, with Brembo brakes, with a quality things on it. It's cornering very easy, it's moving inside the city easy because it's a light bike for the category, even if it looks huge because of all those things. It's the engine is not the most powerful engine, but it's enough for the character of the motorcycle, and anyway you got the feeling of BMW and a beautiful motorcycle. So Georgia, please come and tell us your opinion.
Haha. Yes, I really liked the bike because it's a light and you know, very
light
smooth.
For the category, not very light. Light for the category.
Light for the category. Yes, the others are monsters, and also it was smooth. I like this very much.
Yes, it's an easy bike with friendly engine, and you like how it looks?
Well, I don't like so much the look. I don't like it so puffed. I like it more delicate, but it's okay. It's like I can live with this.
So, time for philosophy.
Oh.
I will say philosophy in Greek always for BMW, for this BMW. Είναι η ανυπόστατη υποκειμενική αντίληψη ενός κόσμου επικείμενου πέρα των ορίων της φαντασίας, της προδοσίας και της εγρήγορσης του ανθρώπινου εγκεφάλου, το οποίο ως εκ τούτου σε φέρνει κοντά στην απεραντοσύνη του σύμπαντος. Ιωάννης.
Η αμπεραντοσύνη είναι δικιά μας λέξη.
Ναι, ναι. Ιωάννης. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Georgia and Ioannis for KOKKINA FEGARIA Motorcycle Rock Show. This amazing show for motorcycles. Real life reviews.
Real life.
Tzatziki power.
No tzatziki.